My name is Josephine, and I work with Bhesp-Safe, a women-led organization that envisions a community whereby women's rights and dignities are upheld. So based on the current statistics, we find out that youth aged between 15 to 24 years are the most affected by HIV and AIDS and other life-limiting illnesses like STIs. That's why Bhesp-Safe has come in with interventions that will help these youth, and especially adolescent girls and young women, not to be combated with such statistics, so that it can at least really go down. So number one, the first thing that we're envisioning to do is forming a girls club. And the reason that we thought about a girls club is that because these youth are between 15 and 25 years, they can be coming together. These are adolescents, and as adolescents they go through many changes in their bodies. That's when they start seeing that their breasts are becoming to widen and all that. So when the youths come together, they can always be like teaching themselves about stuff, life skills, and getting empowerment from one another. So besides life skills, we aim at empowering these girls to be better people in the society, because according also to statistics, it shows that these girls aged between these years, most of them are school dropouts. And what can a school dropout do? Actually not really much. So they end up working in bars and working in other places where they can't really negotiate based on their academic qualification. So we thought that when we bring these girls together and do some activities with them and empower them, they can really know more, much more about their rights, and especially their sexual reproductive health rights. And another thing that we are planning to do is, just as I've mentioned, that the youth work mostly in bars. So we want to make something like a social platform. This social platform is going to be something like an app. So the app is going to have ratings on a scale of, let's say, 0 to 5, whereby the places where these youth hang out, we are going to rate those places. Once we rate them, the youth will be able, like, you know, the internet is one thing that the youth really likes to go and get information from. And like us in our days whereby we used to go to ask parents for advice, the youth prefer to go to the internet. So these adolescent girls will have this social platform whereby they can be able to access information of the correct places where they can hang out. So in cases whereby we find that a place, let's say a bar, has 0 ratings or less than 2, we can always advocate for strengthening and better services in those areas.